Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to calculate sales value or sales revenue in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen here, I have a data of item-wise sales quantity report for January to December for these items. And in the column B, there is a per unit price. And in the row number 11, I have to calculate the total sales revenue for every single month. To calculate the sales revenue, we can use a function in Excel, that is the sum product function. If you want to practice using the sum product function to calculate sales revenue, then you can download this workbook from the link in the video description. Then go to this practice sheet and practice calculating sales revenue here. Let me go back to the first sheet. In this cell, press equal to, then type sum product function, open bracket. In the array 1 of the sum product, select this per unit price range. Then lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Because when we copy this formula for other months, this price range should remain at the fixed position. So pressing the F4 key will lock this range by applying these dollar symbols before the column name and row number. Now put a comma. In the array 2, select this January month quantity range. Then close bracket, press enter. This is the total sales revenue. You can now use the fill handle, then drag this till the month of December. So this is all about calculating the sales revenue in Microsoft Excel based on the unit price range and quantity sold range. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.